Do you love English movies but find yourself glued to the subtitles? You're watching the bottom of the screen instead of the actors' faces. It's frustrating when you turn the subtitles off and suddenly it sounds like gibberish. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to train your ears to understand everything. Think of your listening skills like a muscle that needs a specific workout. Most people try to jump straight into difficult films and get discouraged quickly. But wait, there is a better way to reach fluency without the stress. We need a roadmap to move from reading English to hearing English. Many learners think they need to know every single word to understand. That's the first myth we need to throw away right now. Step 1 is changing how you listen to sounds, not just words. English is a stress-timed language, meaning it flows like water. There is a beat to English that you need to feel in your bones. Native speakers often smush words together, which is why it's hard. Give yourself 10 minutes a day with this method I'm about to share. Start with content made for kids or simple animations. The vocabulary is simpler, and the actors speak much more clearly. This helps you build a win early on and boosts your confidence. Think of this as the bottom rung of your listening ladder. Cartoons are your best friend when you are just starting out. Now, let's talk about the Rewatch Method, which is a total game changer. Pick a movie you have already seen in your native language. Because you already know the plot, your brain doesn't have to work as hard. You can focus purely on the sounds because the story is already familiar. Watch the first 5 minutes with English subtitles first. Write down 3 new words that you hear frequently. Now, turn the subtitles off and watch those same 5 minutes again. Notice how your brain starts to link the sound to the words you just read. You'll be surprised at how much more you catch on the second pass. Small victories like this are how you eventually master the whole film. Now let's talk about active listening versus passive listening. Passive listening is having the movie on in the background while you cook. Active listening is when you are fully engaged, like a detective on a case. You are looking for clues in the tone and the body language of the actors. Context is your secret weapon when you don't know a specific word. If a character looks sad and says, "I'm blue," you know they aren't talking about color. The environment and the props tell half the story for you. Use your phone to look up slang, but only after the scene is over. Don't pause every 5 seconds or you will lose the flow of the language. Patience is key. Your ears need time to calibrate to different accents. English has a melody. Try to hum along with the way people speak. Is the voice going up or down at the end of the sentence? This is called shadowing, repeating what you hear immediately after. Don't be afraid of making mistakes or missing things. Keep a mental folder for common phrases like "what's up" or "gotcha." Let's focus on key words. You don't need the in, on, or at. Catch the nouns and the verbs. They carry the most meaning. Just wait for the main idea to float to the surface. Feel the emotion behind the words to understand the intent. Actors use their faces to help you understand their dialogue. Watch slice of life movies. They use everyday, practical English. Avoid sci-fi or legal dramas at first. The technical talk is too hard. You are building a foundation of common conversational phrases. Like a plant, your listening grows a little bit every single day. Look for the long game. Don't expect perfection in 1 week. Some days, you will feel like you understand nothing. That's normal. Other days, things will suddenly click, and you'll feel like a genius. Stay relaxed. Tension makes your brain shut down to new sounds. Take a deep breath and let the English wash over you like music. If you cry at a movie without subs, you know you've truly understood it. Tip: Watch interviews with your favorite actors on YouTube. They speak more naturally in interviews than they do in scripted movies. It's a bridge between acting and real-life English. Keep your brain hydrated and ready for the challenge. Surround your room with English quotes to keep your mind in the zone. Don't let the darkness of a fast sentence scare you off. Every new word you learn is a key to a new part of the story. You are waiting for the message to arrive in your brain. Listening is like cooking. It takes the right ingredients and time. Add a little bit of difficulty each time to keep it interesting. Native speed is the goal, but slow and steady wins the race. Fight the urge to turn the subtitles back on when it gets tough. Behind this door is a world of movies you can finally enjoy fully. Imagine watching a Hollywood blockbuster and laughing at all the jokes. Lights, camera, action. It's time for your next practice session. You're becoming a cool listener who doesn't need help. This skill is also great for your career and travel. Understanding movies prepares you for real conversations at the airport. You are a citizen of the English-speaking world now. Take a break, then come back for your final tip. What if you still can't understand after trying everything? Use the caption tool on YouTube to see auto-generated text as a backup. Fine-tune your settings and playback speed to 0.75x if needed. Bite-sized learning is better than trying to eat the whole thing at once. Even 5 minutes of subtitle-free watching counts as progress. Be kind to yourself. Your brain is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Keep the process light and fun, not like a boring school lesson. Celebrate when you understand a full sentence for the first time. The secret is consistency, not intensity. You are halfway up the mountain of fluency. Don't rush. The view gets better as you go higher. Take a mental snapshot of your progress every month. Love the process of learning, and the results will follow. You've reached the end of this guide, but the start of your journey. Send a message to a friend and tell them what you learned today. You really can do this. Subtitles are just training wheels. It's time to take the wheels off and ride into the world of English. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Class is over. Now go watch your favorite movie. See you in the next video. Happy watching!